Ever wondered how to turn your social media scrolling into a money-making venture without spending a dime? Welcome to a world where your online presence can turn into a goldmine with no investment required. This video will demystify the process, making it accessible to anyone, from seasoned entrepreneurs to curious newcomers. Picture this: the potential to generate income simply by harnessing the power of social media platforms. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Stick around if you want to learn how to make money from social media with zero investment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. First, it's important to understand the different social media platforms and their unique features. Let's dive right in. Facebook, the granddaddy of social media, is a versatile platform that allows you to create personal profiles, business pages, and groups. It's a great platform for building communities around your brand and engaging with your audience through posts, live videos, and events. Next up, we have Instagram. Owned by Facebook, Instagram is a visually oriented platform primarily used for sharing photos and short videos. It's an excellent platform for showcasing your products, services, or personal brand in a visually appealing way. Instagram Stories and IGTV are also great features for sharing behind-the-scenes content or longer video segments. Twitter, on the other hand, is a fast-paced platform where you can share short updates, known as tweets. It's a great place for real-time engagement, trending topics, and quick-fire discussions. It's also a fantastic platform for customer service and networking. LinkedIn, the professional social media platform, is ideal for networking, industry news, and job hunting. It's a great platform for connecting with like-minded professionals and showcasing your expertise in your field. YouTube, the second largest search engine after Google, is a video sharing platform where you can upload and share videos. It's a wonderful platform for tutorials, product reviews, vlogs, and any content that benefits from a visual and auditory presentation. Last but not least, we have TikTok, the newcomer in the social media scene. TikTok is all about short, engaging videos often set to music. It's a great platform for creativity, trends, and reaching a younger audience. Each of these platforms has its unique features and caters to a specific audience. Understanding these platforms and their audiences is key to deciding where to focus your efforts. Remember, it's better to master one platform than to be mediocre on multiple platforms. Knowing your platform is the first step to making money on social media. And with that, we're ready to move on to the next step: building your online presence. Stay tuned. Now, let's talk about building your online presence. In the digital realm, your online presence is your storefront, your billboard, and your business card. It's where potential followers, and by extension, advertisers or sponsors, first get to know you. To attract them, you need three key ingredients: a clear niche, quality content, and engagement with your audience. Firstly, having a clear niche is like having a beacon that attracts a specific group of people. It's your unique selling point, the thing that sets you apart from the billions of other social media users. So how do you find your niche? Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What are you an expert in? What do you want to be known for? This could be anything from vegan cooking to sustainable fashion, or from digital marketing to wildlife photography. Secondly, creating quality content is your way of keeping those followers around. It's not just about pretty pictures or witty captions, although they do help. It's about providing value. This can be entertainment, information, inspiration, or a combination of all three. And remember, quality always trumps quantity. It's better to post one well-researched blog post or well-edited video per week than to churn out mediocre content every day. Lastly, engaging with your audience is how you turn followers into fans, and fans into customers or clients. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, hold Q&A sessions, share user-generated content, or even host live chats or webinars. Engagement is the social in social media. It's what builds trust, fosters community, and ultimately drives conversions. So to recap, find your niche, create quality content, and engage with your audience. These are the building blocks of a solid online presence. And remember, this isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process, a journey rather than a destination. An engaging online presence is your ticket to monetizing your social media. With patience, consistency, and a dash of creativity, you'll be well on your way to turning your social media into a money-making machine. With a solid online presence, you're ready to explore monetization strategies. Now let's dive into different ways to monetize your social media platform. One of the most popular strategies is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. For example, let's say you're a beauty influencer and you're promoting a new lipstick. Every time one of your followers purchases that lipstick using your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation as you provide value to your followers, while also earning from the sales. Next up is sponsored posts. This is where a company pays you to post about their product or service. You've probably seen your favorite celebrities or influencers posing with a specific product and tagging the brand. That's a sponsored post. The key to a successful sponsored post is authenticity. You need to believe in the product you're promoting, and it should align with your personal brand. Then there's selling your own products or services. This could be anything from an ebook to a physical product, or even a course on a topic you're an expert in. For instance, if you've built your brand around fitness, you could sell personalized workout plans or nutritional guides. Remember, the key here is to provide something of real value that your audience wants and needs. Lastly, we have crowdfunding. This method involves raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. Crowdfunding can be a great way to finance a specific project or idea. For instance, perhaps you want to create a documentary or launch a new product line. By sharing your vision and goals with your audience, you can raise the necessary funds to make it happen. It's important to note that while these strategies can be profitable, they also require hard work, commitment, and a deep understanding of your audience. What works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's crucial to experiment and find out what resonates with your followers. Also, remember that monetizing your social media should never compromise the trust and relationship you've built with your audience. Always be transparent about your monetization strategies. If you're promoting a product or service, let your followers know. Now that we've covered various ways to monetize your social media, it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of trial and error. Choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your brand and audience. To maximize your earnings, here are some important tips and tricks. Firstly, let's talk about engagement. It's the lifeblood of any social media platform. To increase engagement, interact with your followers. Respond to their comments, like their posts, and don't forget to ask for their opinions. This not only makes them feel valued, but also increases your visibility. Secondly, content is king. Strive to improve the quality of your content. Invest time in learning about photo and video editing, storytelling, and compelling caption writing. Remember, your content should not only be interesting, but also valuable to your audience. Third, make analytics your best friend. Understand your audience's behavior. Know when they are most active, what type of content they prefer, and what prompts them to engage. Use this information to tailor your content and posting schedule. Lastly, stay updated with social media trends. The digital world is ever evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work today. So keep an eye on the latest trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. And remember, patience is key. It might take time to see significant results, but consistent efforts coupled with these tips and tricks can pay off in the long run. These tips and tricks can boost your social media earnings. So, are you ready to turn your social media into a money-making machine? Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. First and foremost, understanding your chosen social media platform is vital. Each platform has unique characteristics and user demographics. So knowing how best to leverage its features will give you a head start. Next, building an engaging online presence is your golden ticket. Remember, it's not just about the number of followers you have, but the quality of relationships you build. Consistency, authenticity, and value are your best friends here. Now let's not forget about monetization strategies. Whether it's affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling your own products or services, the right strategy will depend on your unique situation and goals. Experiment, learn, and pivot as necessary. And of course, we've covered a handful of important tips and tricks. From understanding your audience to using analytics, these insights will help you stay ahead of the curve. The potential of social media as a source of income is undeniable. With a bit of creativity, dedication, and strategic planning, you can turn your online activities into a profitable venture. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to roll up your sleeves and start your journey. Remember, the key to making money on social media is understanding your platform, building an engaging online presence, and choosing the right monetization strategy. Good luck!